Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to copy and paste formula in Excel sheet. Okay, so if you want to copy and paste formula to Excel sheet, what you have to do here, you will see I have created this, and this is the sum of these 3 months. Okay, so again I am going to apply the formula. Okay, sum bracket open these three number, okay, and bracket close. Okay, so now you can copy the formula by the fill handle. Okay, here you will see the plus option. Okay, so when you click on the cell you and place your cursor here, you will see the fill handle plus options, just drag it to the bottom. Like this you can copy the formula. Okay, now if you want to copy this formula to the other sheet, okay, so what you have to do, you have to just select. Okay, now I'm going to add one sheet again, and then select whole cell where you have pasted the formula. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, then control C if you have Windows, command C if you have MacBook. Okay, then now here you will see paste option at the top. Here you will see paste option. Okay, so click on the little arrow, and here you will see all the options. Okay, all paste options. If you only click on formula, you will see only formula is there, no formatting is there. Okay, again when you see, again click on this paste little arrows. Here you will see formula and number formatting, keep source formatting. So when you click on keep source formatting, you will see all the format and formula is there. So like this you can paste formula, copy paste formula in Excel. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos on Excel, Microsoft Word and other Microsoft Office apps. Thanks for watching.